Welcome viewers to our channel EduGoshal. In this video, we will explore NCERT Class 9 Maths Chapter 1 Number Systems. This chapter lays the foundation for various concepts related to numbers and their classification. Definition of number system. Number systems are a way of representing and categorizing different types of numbers. These systems provide a structure to count, measure, and perform various arithmetic operations. The three main types of number systems are natural numbers denoted by n, whole numbers denoted by w, integers denoted by z. These three systems form the basic building blocks for further number systems. We also have rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, imaginary numbers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Let us know in the comments section if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.